Okay, video. Tell us what happened. How'd you get that? All those big sixes and stuff.
Muscle, man. Muscle. This is one of the guns.
Alrighty.
This is hospital. This is burial ground. So, man.
How far did that big one go?
200 meters.
They want to hit the city. They're going to airport. They're down.
Yeah, it's on video. Tell us something.
Yeah, we need to do one better than last time.
Yes, one more victory, right? Absolutely.
Yes. And the team which has gone to the finals, the first team which has entered the finals has always won the tournament.
Alrighty. Mr. Manager.
Man, you know what? This is a team with a character. Shown it time and again. They have done RCB. Let's do it again.
Yeah. Okay, Persona.
The first team in 2020 history to chase more than 200 back-to-back. Go RCB, go!